dear friends and fellow citizens, it is with great sadness that the French people have learned of the passing of James Colin, our beloved affiliate marketer. With his pioneering work, James brought honor and innovation to our country. He was the first to see the potential of affiliate marketing and harness it to promote French businesses globally. We all discovered his captivating story. A simple man with big dreams and even bigger determination. Starting from nothing, he built an affiliate empire that sparked a movement. His courage and values inspired a generation of marketers. James was the constant symbol of affiliate marketing in France. He mastered the latest techniques, loved connecting people and products, and touched the lives of so many. No other marketer had his devotion to helping businesses thrive. He was a great entrepreneur and a one-of-a-kind example serving your community. To all of us, he embodied the spirit of freedom, tenacity and moral fortitude in business. We remember and continue the values he tirelessly promoted. At this difficult time, we send our deepest condolences to his family, friends, colleagues, and all those whose lives were made better by knowing James. Though he will be greatly missed, his legacy will live on through the people and businesses he impacted. James Colin, the greatest French affiliate marketer who made our country proud.